Hello! Ito na naman, bisi-bisihan ang kitchen ko na may nilutuan ako. Bumili siya ng isda, tuna. Nilutuan ko siya. Ayan. Escabeche, sweet and sour fish. I cooked the sweet and sour fish for her. And half for her, half for me. Then, later on, paksiw. Ayan. Naku po, ang ulo, tingnan mo. Ang tail. Okay. I hope this is good and she would like it, and I hope. Ayan. Okay. Thank you so much. Escabeche yan. Okay. Binili kasi niya yung isda. So, hindi siya nagluluto. Niluto ko. She bought the fish. And she don't cook, so I cook it for her. And she is our boss in the work. She's my manager. Okay. And thank you so much for watching. See you again in my next cooking. Bye-bye. Masarap na siguro yan, no? Daming sahog. Okay, bye.